So this is the convention center, and they are going to be completely rebuilding this. Oh, look at that. They're going to completely tear down, I think, most of the building, and they're going to rebuild it into a nice and modern building. So they're probably going to build around the DART station. Oh, there's a train. Train 217. We're going to kind of race it. Blue line. This year is going to look pretty different. Construction is expected to start by the end of this year. So I'm really looking forward to this. And there are a few helipads on top of the convention center as well.